Hello. In today's video, you will learn how to get your program or suggest another program be added into CAREAPP. There are two primary criteria that a program must meet to be listed in CAREAPP. One, it must be a direct service, and two, it must be a social service. To suggest a qualifying program to CAREAPP, you will follow these steps. Scroll all the way down to the page footer and select Suggest Program. This page will ask you to provide some basic information about the program you'd like to add, such as name of the program, state that the program serves, and as a note, there is a nationwide option in the dropdown. It will ask for the program's phone number if you have that information, as well as a website for the program. Once you've entered in that information, click Search. Find Helpful Search to see if this is an existing program in their database or if this program might be listed under another name or specification. If not, continue to add any additional information that you know about the program. You also want to be sure to include your email address so that Find Help can follow up with you or ask any additional questions if needed. Additionally, if you work for the organization you are suggesting, be sure to click the I work at this program checkbox. This will prompt Find Help to invite you to claim your program card once it has been added. Next, you will click I'm Not a Robot test. And finally, Suggest Program. There is typically a response time of about 2 business days, so keep an eye out in your email. And that is how you add or suggest a program be listed in CAREAPP. Thank you.